Rosario. Their libero, number 9, Jan Eunice Gala. Their head coach, Roberto Coach Obet Javier. For the starting lineup of the Lady Eagles. Number 15, Joanna Maraginot. Number 16, Amy Ahumiro. Number 7, Giselle Tan. Number 18, Kim Gekiliana. Number 14, Bea De Leon. And their team captain, number 2, Eliza Valdez. Their starting libero, number 8, Ella De Jesus. Their head coach, Anusorn Coach Ty Bundit. To the competing teams and to all the fans here in the arena, let's get it up!
The NCAA champions, ang Arellano Lady Chiefs, colliding with the UAAP title holders, the Ateneo Lady Eagles. Parehong asul.
Oo.
Although may gray shade yung Arellano.
But this is going to be an interesting match because yung sa isang previous conference, Arellano was responsible for yung pagkakaalis or pagkakatanggal ng Ateneo.
Sila tumalo, di ba?
Oo, sila yung tumalo eh. So, I guess, Ateneo, meron silang konting dito eh.
Ano yun?
Igagante.
Axe to grind. Ayan. CJ Rosario ang team captain para dito sa koponan ng Arellano Lady Chiefs at para naman sa Ateneo Lady Eagles, walang iba kung hindi si Eliza Valdez for the Lady Eagles. Joanna Marginat serving for Ateneo. Ateneo is perfect right now with a 4-0 win-loss card. Arellano on the brink. 3-2-2 win-loss record. Valdez coming off a 29-point performance, scores the first point of this match. Sipin mo, Ivy, hindi pa naglaro ng dalawang laro.
Oo.
Number 1 scorer.
Number 1 scorer pa.
May padama pa.
Good serve.
2-0 for the Lady Eagles. Maraginat attacking the defense of Tubiera. At inusog siya rito ni Galang para takpan ni Galang yung kung sa kanya uli ibabato. Itong si Maraginat, yung serve. This time it's Agano who's the target. Dana Henson rises para dito sa Lady Chiefs. Valdez once again.
So far, so good here for Ateneo.
At bigyan din natin ng credit itong si Giselle Tan for stepping up to the plate in the absence of their primary setter na inoperahan, no? Kung di ako nagkakamali. Si Gia Morado. Maraginat still. Service error this time. 3 points on the serve of Joanna Maraginat. Not bad at all. A setter para dito sa Arellano na si Jelica Legacion taking over Mary Jane Ticar. Push coming from Maraginat. Jelly Legacion goes to CJ Rosario and that is money time for CJ Rosario. 4 players scored in double digits para sa Arellano sa kanilang pagkatalo kontra UST. Yadagalan with 23. 15 coming from CJ Rosario, 11 from Henson, and 10 from Menchi Tubiera.
We can see how yung distribution din ng bola dito para sa Arellano kasi maraming kumukuha ng double digits.
At maraming pwedeng puntahan. Ahumiro. Binigyan ng bola ni Giselle Tan. Amy Ahumiro scored only 7 points for Ateneo sa kanilang huling panalo. It's Pan Family and Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Henson pushing it to Mia Aganon. Good dig by Maraginat. Valdez Good dig by Galang. Henson, cross court. Oops, nahuli si Amy Ahumiro. Pumuntos dito ang Arellano. Parang fighting for survival na rito ang Arellano eh.
Oo,
Ivy.
pero they have to make sure that they get a win para sigura hindi sila bumaba sa ating ranking.
Kasi last 2 games sila, NU saka FEU.
Yeah. So that was too strong for Maraguinot.
Cutting from the back. As Arellano tries this match in the first set at 4-set all. CJ Rosario. Valdez with a free ball. Aganon Legacion goes back to Aganon. De Jesus. Recover. Drop shot coming from Valdez. Yan yung facet ng laro ni Alyssa na ang laki ng improvement,
Yeah.
Ivy.
And the thing is, she doesn't really change her approach. So you're not sure if papaluin niya or itadrop
Uhulog
niya.
niya, oo.
And she has the luxury of making the decision in mid-air.
Kasi nakakapagkape, no?
So,
Ang tagal ng hang time.
nakapanood pansinin, nakapag-popcorn pa.
Inside out. Alyssa, once again, attacks Tobiera.
A little struggle now for Tobiera sa kanyang first ball.
Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Kasama sa mga game plan niya na hindi ginuguhit ng mga coaches, di ba? Kung sinong atake.
Yeah.
Aganon against the double block, checked. Fan goes to Valdez, down the line. Better cover, this time coming from Galang. Difficult angle para kay Aganon. Doon niya nakita yung butas no?
Well, again, she had the right thing in mind, so wrong execution lang.
Legacion goes to Aganon once again, adjusting. Good dive coming from Alyssa Valdez. Maraguinot attacks from the back. Aganon shot deflected. Inangat ni De Jesus. Para kay Gikiliana. Gikiliana finishes off. The 8th point para sa Ateneo. First technical timeout. Lamang ang Lady Eagles 8-4. Back here sa first set action ng Ateneo at Arellano. Airing schedules po sa GMA News TV. Saturdays, Sundays, Mondays to Thursdays. Kasi welcome Miss Trisha Robredo dito po sa ating lineup.
Ronnie and Ivy, kakaibang motibasyon ang nararamdaman ngayon ng Lady Chiefs. Magwagi kontra ang Lady Eagles na nakatapat at natalo nila ng nakaraang taon sa Shakey's B-League. Sabi nga sa akin na Captain Ball na si CJ Rosario na gusto daw nila mapatunayan na hindi lang tsamba ang pagkapanalo nila. However, Arellano's coach Albert also told me that he can't claim to have the blue shirts all figured out, especially with rising stars like Joe Maraguinot. Now, speaking of this young blood squad, I was informed that a number of them are plagued with pains and minor injuries. Yung iba daw kaya mag-adjust pero yung iba talaga walang kapalitan. Kaya ang hinihingi ngayon ni Coach Ty sa kanyang girls ay consistency. Alam naman daw nila na hindi kaya makipagpalitan sa iba, kaya dapat all throughout, all heart sila. Back to you guys.
All heart. Happy.
Oh.
Happy. Ivy, ha?
And you know,
Heart
yun naman
strong.
a team with heart is a very hard team to beat.
Here's Alyssa Valdez serving. Follow her on Volley Friends on Viber. Public chat. Using Viber, just click #follow o follow. Grabe naman ang popularity ni Alyssa talaga, no? Kakatuwa.
But there's a perfect reason why naman she's gained popularity because of the skill
And she's worked hard for it.
Yes.
Alam mo naman, pag ganyan sinusundan ka, mas mataas ang pressure. But that seems not to be a problem para dito kay Alyssa Valdez, who is volleyball's version of the Phenom. And the Ateneo community has completely embraced itong rise nitong si Alyssa Valdez as the face of Philippine volleyball. De Leon serving para sa Ateneo, Legacion. Going to Tubiera. Pinuhay pa. De Leon muli. Alyssa Valdez with that free ball. Double block by Ahomiro and Gikiliana on Shirley Salamagos.
Let's take a look at that double block.
Abang na abang no?
Basang-basa.
Ateneo has not yet been beaten. Looking for a seat in the Final Four. Galang with another free ball for Arellano. Tan. Maragina covered down the line. Galang with another free ball. Tan. Ahomiro. Shattering the double block. Kakatuwa si Giselle Tan gumalaw. Ano? Bilis.
Oo. Yung parang bigla na nasusulpot na siya.
Bilis. Ganda ng reaction time. (12-6) for Ateneo.
Oh, good serve from Bia De Leon.
With the 13-6. As Coach Obet Javier calls timeout para sa Arellano. The blue shirts of the Lady Eagles with a comfortable lead, a 7-point advantage at 13-6. Legacion cross court para dito kay Tubiera, deflected but Tubiera gets that ball safely in. Mabilis ang palitan ng mga puntos dito, Ivy.
That's right, and it looks like in Arellano, trying to inch closer and closer dito sa ating puntos.
Salamago serving for Arellano. Maragina hits the antenna. Amy Ahomiro and Giselle Tan communicating dito sa kanilang posibleng susunod na atake. Salamagos going the opposite way, but this time getting that ball to sail too long as Kim Gikiliana prepares to serve para dito sa Ateneo. Gikiliana in their win versus UP. Only 2 points para dito kay Kim. But scores on this ace, this time against Aganon. 15-8 for Ateneo. First set.
I think that's probably the third or fourth
At
service
least.
ace nitong Ateneo.
The official outfit of the Shakey's V-League is Axel. Gikiliana this time goes to Galang. Legacion sets up to Biera. Scores. Nine serving 15. It has been a rough first set para dito kay Tubiera, pero binabalikan din niya yung mga umaatake sa kanya kanina.
Oh, Tubiera trying to avoid it but hits her shoulder.
Second technical timeout. Alyssa Valdez and the Lady Eagles at 16 points. Arellano with a total of 9. social media sites. Pero bago po yan, bigay po muna natin kay Miss Trish Robredo.
So hi, Coach Ronnie. Right here, I'm here right now with head coach Mike Hogan of the Shisha Volleyball Club, who came all the way from Kubasaki High School in Okinawa, Japan. So, Coach, good afternoon to you. May I just ask you, what are you guys doing here in the Philippines?
This is our third year in the Philippines, and we're a club volleyball team. All of the girls go to the same high school called Kubasaki in Okinawa, a mixture of different nationalities, and we're here to do community service for about a half a day, and then usually get a match about half a day for about a week long.
All right, so Coach, how do you find Philippine volleyball?
Really good. I knew it was pretty good because I've had a lot of Filipino-American friends that have spent time in the Philippines, so I thought we'd come out here and just see if we get some matches, and it's been excellent.
So, Coach, how did you hear about this tournament, and have you heard anything about the two teams playing today?
Yeah, we played the Ateneo junior team a couple years ago, and they were very good. So I kind of started following Filipino volleyball, and I'd heard of Alyssa Valdez and kind of the face of volleyball in the Philippines, and have been kind of looking at YouTube and been following it ever since for about the last 3 years.
All right, thank you very much, Coach, for joining us, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of the match. Okay, so back to you, Ronnie.
Alam mo, Ivy, I just came from Tokyo
Really?
about a week ago. At alam mo naman, ang sports sa Tokyo, sa Japan, in particular, talagang big din yan.
Yeah,
And we
yeah,
say,
that's
domo
right.
arigato for coming over and visiting us here at the Phil Oil Flying V Arena as Arellano tries to inch closer dito sa Ateneo Lady Eagles. Ang sarap ng ramen.
Coach, hindi ka nagdala ng pasalubong.
Meron.
Meron?
Made in Japan.
Gutom tuloy ako sa
Ay,
ramen.
kumain
Coach.
ka na, ha? Kumain ka na ng pizza, ha? Sabi mo, ha? Megasyon serving for Arellano. Alyssa Valdez against two. Good down the line cover coming from Parang hitting practice Alyssa
Yeah.
Valdez
So, Alyssa Valdez, parang it doesn't matter how many hands you put up there.
At seems to be fully recovered, no? Dahil pinahinga para makarecover from yung wear and tear. Dahil tatlong sunod-sunod na international competition ng nilaruan ni Alyssa at the rest of the nationals. This time goes to De Leon. Too many weapons so far for the blue shirts dito sa first set.
And the struggle of Arellano here is not, you know, they cannot attack, but it's more of they cannot receive.
Oo. The official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Maganda yung pinunto mo, but Ahumiro gives up a 3-point dun sa kanyang service error. Nika Carino coming in for CJ Rosario. Ito yung designated na server ni Coach Obet Javier. At kasama yan dun sa substitution pattern na mayroon ng bawat isa sa ating mga mentors. Arellano Lady Chiefs, pang-5 taon pa lang nito sa NCAA, alam ko, pero nakakuha na ng kampyonato. Valdez diving to retrieve that second ball.
So, maganda ang pagkakapasok nitong for service specialist for Arellano.
That's Nika Carino na siyang tinutukoy ni Miss Ivy Remulla. Nika Carino and Arellano, 12 points. Alyssa Valdez and the blue shirts of Ateneo with 18. Legacion sets up Henson. Misread coming from Alyssa Valdez. Cross-court attack point scored by Jana Henson. Napakapayat, napakalakas, napakatapang.
Sometimes you wonder, no, saan kinukuha ni Dada Henson lahat ng lakas?
Saan ang hugot?
Oo eh.
This time,
Alyssa Valdez.
beats Galang's defense. Kanina pa siya nasasagot ni Galang, pero eto, simpleng nasilipan si Galang. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by TLDT Home Ultra. Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Tan, nice serve. Negacion goes to Aganon. Tan goes to Gikiliana. Covered by Galang. Henson against a double block. Inangate De Jesus para kay Alyssa. Uy, miss hit
Alyssa
coming from
Valdez.
Salamagos.
Easy drop shot.
Ang ganda ng form niya, no? Hindi mo tama yung sinabi mo, hindi mo
Yeah, you
Hindi
can't
mo mahulaan,
really, yeah, even if it's missed ball, hindi mo ma-distinguish kung papaluin niya ba o ida-drop na lang.
Ang ganda ng pagbenta niya, no? Hindi mo talaga masilip. Haganan for Arellano. They're still down by 7. Was that an off-speed or was that a
It was a
miss
miss-hit, pero puntos pa rin para kay Eliza Valdez.
Dumulas, kumadyos, pumuntos pa rin si Eliza. At a timeout muna si Coach Obet Javier dahil hindi siya nasasayahan sa nakikita niyang pagdaus-dos ng laro sa first set ng Arellano. If it's fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be shaky. Yung daughter ko last Monday, Ivy, may uwing chicken saka pizza eh.
Wow, ang sarap.
Kasi pag Mondays, buong August, 40 off ang Shakey's.
Kaya pala, ano eh.
Natawa nga ako eh. Sabi ko, tinoon mong Lunes, ha?
Alam mo pa naman, ano eh, no? Discounted na pasalubong pa. And it's the thought that counts,
Oh, yes.
diba?
Oo, totoo yun. Ayan. It's the jump that counts para kay Dea De Leon.
And then, if you know that you're going up against tall players ng frontline ng opponents, kailangan iingatan mo talaga yung mga ganong klaseng regalo.
Oops. This time, Giselle Tan clipping the net. 9-point lead for Ateneo. It was a blistering start for the Lady Eagles and there's no looking back for them. Dito sa first set as Dana Henson prepares to launch her serve. Tan goes to Gikiliana. Pasok sa pasok. Di mo alam kung sinong bibigyan ni Tan eh.
Again, she has a lot of options at the front line.
Eliza Valdez para sa Ateneo. 10 set points for Valdez and the Eagles. And that will be all that she wrote dito sa ating unang set. Ateneo running away with the first set, winning comfortably by 10 points, securing it by the score of 25-15. Ito yung huling palitan. Isa sa mga palitan rather para dito sa ating unang set. That was the 24th point earlier na pinuntos ni Kim Gikiliana para sa Ateneo. get better at yung kanilang service reception, yung first ball na
Yes.
pinupunto mo kasamang ID para makakake sila. At mahirapan naman nila yung depensa rito ng Lady Eagles. Haganan para dito sa Arellano. Isa sa dalawang guest players ng Arellano University. Yung isa ay si Lynette Mabayad, who wears jersey number 1. 1 point para sa Lady Eagles. Isa kalamangan ng Ateneo sa pagbubukas ng second set. Quarterfinal action po tayo sa Shakey's B-League. We started out with 12 teams that were only left with 8. Only 8 play dates sa quarterfinals. Pagtatapos po niyan, 4 na lang po matitirang mga kupunan. Anong tawag doon, Ivy? Arellano committing that infraction
Yes, there's actually a lifting violation to be called up against Rosario.
na siyang bagong, pero may bagong setter dito ang
Yeah.
Arellano.
Actually, Arellano has fielded in new players para dito sa set number 2. Starting off with a new setter, number 5, Rhea Ramirez. Then we also see on the court, first number 18, Jovelyn Prado.
Oo, matigas din maglaro yan. Almira with a booming serve. Ramirez goes to Dana Henson. Deflected. That went over the double block at pati yung coverage nabasag ng small but terrible na si Dana Henson. The official ball of the Shakey's B-League is Mikasa. Ramirez, bagong pasok. No problem. Binigyan para sa likuran si Maraginot. Nako. Paano ba didepensahan yan, Ivy? May
Right.
Valdez ka lang, may Maraginot ka pa.
And again, you know, the options that they have in terms of saan nila padadaanin, ang dami.
Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast Spike for a Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Ramirez to Dana Henson. Naghanap ng check ball si Dana Henson.
No check, says the referee.
Again natin na rattling off 5 quick points laban sa isa para sa Lady Chiefs. Tan committing that service error. Talagang yung clearance ng serve ni Giselle Tan talagang gapalito, gabuhok.
Kabuhok na lang talaga eh.
CJ Rosario para sa Lady Chiefs. Ikiliana for Ateneo cross court. Ramirez goes to Salamagos. Salamagos beats the defense of Bea de Leon. Binibigyan dito ni Ramirez yung gitna, no?
Yeah.
Iba rin kasi pag nakita mo yung perspective dun sa gilid, di ba? This time, De Leon, set up by Tan.
Free ball.
Ay, ang ganda yan. Oops! Bihira yung magkamali si Alyssa sa ganyan.
Eliza Valdez led Ateneo being a top scorer for his first set with 9 points, followed by Kim Gicaliana with 4 and Bea de Leon with 3. On the other hand, naman para sa Arellano, it's Dana Henson with 3 points, Menchi Tobiera and CJ Rosario with 2 points each.
Ateneo had 3 straight points earlier bago pumunto si Kim Gicaliana for the Blue Shirts. 2-point lead for Ateneo. As crowd favorite Eliza Valdez serves. If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be shaky. Ace hit coming from Shirley Salamagos. Alam mo, naalala ko mahusay sa ganyang tira si Sue Roses.
Oh,
At saka
yung
si Ivy
running hat.
Remulla. Yan.
Pero it's actually one of my favorite plays also, yung running eh.
Timing yan, no, Ivy? Eliza.
Straight into the net.
7 para sa Ateneo, 5 para sa Arellano.
Second service error committed by Ateneo for set number 2.
Dana Henson wearing jersey number 14. Hinangat para kay Maraginot. Good coverage by Ramirez. Henson mula sa likod, pumalo. Alam mo, si Ramirez pwede rin libero, sa bilis. Ang ganda ng reaction time. Ateneo lamang ng 3 kontra sa Arellano dito po sa pagsapit ng first technical timeout. Para sa international schedules ng GMA News TV, check out this website. And now we check in with Miss Trisha Robredo dito sa ating second set.
Ronnie and I, before the start of this game, Coach Obet told me that they prepared as much as they could for today's game. Mapa-blocks man yan, mapa-atake o mapa-services, lahat daw yun ay kinover nila. But he also told me that there is one thing that is difficult to teach at iyon ay tapang. Sabi na kanina sa huddle, ang sakit daw sa mata ng ginawa nila nung first set. Pero mas masakit na nagpatalo sila sa nararamdaman dahil nasasayang ang pinaghandaan. On the other hand, things are going well for the Katipunan squad, but Coach Tai still puts premium on communication. Now, I was told that setter Giselle Tan is still adjusting to the system and her spikers, and there is no easy quick for this, kaya daw kailangan mas magpakiramdaman pa sila. That's all for now, guys.
At yan yung ulat ni Miss Trish Robredo. Of course, for coaches, it's always important for the players to be able to execute what they drew up.
Yeah.
Sa isang linggong paghahanda, dahil last week pa sila naglaro pareho. But sometimes things happen that that's why coaches have to make the adjustments. Pero yung mental aspect ng laro, ID, yan ang mahirap
Oh,
repatuhin
that's right.
talaga.
And I'm sure, Coach, alam mo yan, di ba, na kahit gaano mo siguro i-train
Iba.
yung player mo, pero kung talagang yung mental ang kulang, sayang din yung talent.
Kaya nga may game players sa tinatawag,
Yeah.
di ba? At saka may magagaling na practice players. Liza Valdez talking to Ella De Jesus. Mukhang nakabanggaan sila kanina. 9-6 para sa Ateneo as Gicaliana prepares to serve for Ateneo. Mabuti ng mabuti kung makakauna ka dahil the burden of adjustment is on the other team. Pero
Yes.
minsan talagang pag naunahan ka, parang buburahin mo na lahat eh. Tapos when you realize that hindi naman problema yung game plan kundi yung execution at application, then you try to convince your players to rethink, relax, and make the adjustments psychologically. Salamagos. Ahumiro against a single blocker. Aganon against a double block. Don't look now, Aureliano is only down by 1. Titignan mo rin si Nina Agano, kala mo
Mahinhin eh.
ayan
no?
eh, di ba? Oo, tama, kala mo mahinhin. Ang tapang yun. Nia Agano rather, oh. Hindi nagre-react, di ba? Hindi tumatawa.
Parang she always means business.
Like this young lady. Liza Valdez, Tan. Binigay sa likod. Tip coming from Maraguinot. Salamagos, or was that CJ Rosario? Swiping that ball way too much. And that will produce the 10th point para dito sa Ateneo. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's GD. Very quiet, Joanna Maraguinot so far. Down the line serve para kay Maraguinot. Valdez, perfect timing. Using her height advantage laban dito kay Ramirez.
Very good, strong serve from Maraguinot.
Yung lakas, halos lahat meron sila niya. Yung control, dyan nagkakaiba
Ay,
talaga.
madaling magkaroon ng malakas na braso at malakas na kamay. Pero yung control na tama ka dyan, Coach Ronnie.
Kung paano mo pabababain yung
That's
bola,
right.
di ba?
I mean, you can have all the strength, but if you can't control it,
Wala rin.
it's gonna be working against you also.
Galit si coach. From a 1-point lead to a 3-point advantage for Ateneo on the Joanna Maraguinot serve. Coach Ty Bundit and Coach Obet Javier on opposite ends. Galang setting up Aganon. Blocked by Ahumiro.
Good timing from Amy Ahumiro.
Nabasa niya, no? Stubiera makes her re-entry in this match. Ano ko the alignment dito sa reception laban sa service ni Maraginot. Using and exercising the full 8 seconds, ano?
That goes outside.
Para ano ba tawag dyan? Statue server?
Talagang lahat, everybody's holding their breath.
Parang si Mary Jane Ticar, di ba? Ang tagal.
Ang tagal eh.
Menchi Tubiera looking to get on track here in the second set. Time goes to Valdez. That's all power for Alyssa. Kung iba-iba yung pumalo nun, hindi nalulusot yun.
So lucky break there for Alyssa Valdez.
Grabe. Parang may turbo boost yung shoulders ni Alyssa. Miro. With a floater. Ramirez sumipat kay Rosario. Pinuntahan si Henson. Ramirez goes to CJ. Meron akong pitong narinig.
Yes, there is a violation against Ateneo. Net violation.
Mama ang jersey ni Bea de Leon. Sa net. Parang ganun, ano?
Yeah. So net violation error ditong Bea de Leon.
10 points for Arellano. 14 para sa Ateneo. Giselle Tan.
Bawi agad
allows,
si Bea de Leon.
allows Bea de Leon to redeem herself. Ultra-fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. No time to react si Menchi Tubiera dun sa bilis nung play na yon. Seltan para sa Ateneo. Ramirez para sa Arellano. Good coverage coming from Ella De Jesus. Arellano. Courtesy of CJ Rosario will allow Ateneo. It's 16 point. Ateneo ahead by 6. Dito sa ating second set. At sa ating second technical timeout, 16-10. Welcome back to the Shakey's V-League. And for V-League updates at GMA International, check out the following sites. At para sa ating page of the game, let's welcome Miss Alexa Mychek, 23 years old. Also a very good volleyball player from LA, California. Kapatid ito ni Nicole Mychek. Isa sa mga naglalaro para sa Blue Eagles. Alam ko, nag-comply sa kanyang residency period. Welcome to the Shakey's V-League, Alexa.
And we're glad if you can share the pizza. Pagkain pa rin talaga.
Mabuti, payat ka. Excuse me. Nakita mo? Kala mo ko. Nagulat tuloy si...
Ikaw, Coach Ronnie, ginugulat mo naman.
I'm sorry. Buti hindi ako pinalo. May attack point sana. Sa pool. Nakita ko yung count, di ko alam na siya eh.
Kala mo.
I'm sorry.
Sabi niya, pinaghirapan ko itong iting to, tapos kukunin
Alam ko kung saan dadaan, ha? Alam ko kung saan dadaan.
Arangin yan.
Alam ko. Pag dito ako kumanan. Ayun, binuksan na. Direct, binuksan yung pizza sa dulo.
Siguro sinabi niya, naku, kailangan mo.
Kinakain.
Kailangan mo ubus na to bago pa makatawa.
Ivy, dito ka muna. Kaya mo na yan. Ayun, tinitignan. 4 on 1. Apat tumitingin sa isang pizza. 17-11. Alyssa Valdez serving for Ateneo. Tan. Back set for Maraginot. Marikina at naghanap ng masyadong mahirap na anggulo. Ang bilis ng reflexes ni Smychek.
Oo, talagang biglang iwas.
Ayun na,
Patingin siya,
ayun na,
biglang
kinakain
iwas.
na, oh. This Fan family and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Parang na-whiplash ako, palaintingin ko dun sa pizza, oh.
Feeling ko talaga binuksan agad para sa Jana eh.
Oo.
Kailangan matago na sa ating dalawa yun eh.
Palo, para dito kay Jovelyn Prado. Masangga naman ang Ateneo. Valdez with a drop. Good cover by Shirley. Salamagos. Prado, free ball. Era de Jesus. Binigyan si Tan. Marikina against 2. Good floor defense para kay Prado and Arellano. Tan. Alunod. Si Bea De Leon. Arellano lurking behind the Blue Eagles. Arellano 13. Ateneo 17. Medyo bumagal yung action dito sa second set, ano?
Right, and well, Arellano still, I think parang hindi pa rin nila nahahanap talaga yung momentum nila eh.
Pero ang nahanap nila yung first ball.
That's right.
Kaya
Which is
humahaba
good.
yung mga
Because
rallies,
yeah,
no?
they're able to now keep the ball alive.
Only 3 points behind ang Arellano, kaya timeout muna si Coach Ty Bundit. From Happy, the heart strong. They need one good service reception para makapalo, maka-atake, at maputol itong paghahabol ng Arellano. Dana Henson quietly pushing Arellano closer to Ateneo. Backset para kay Kikiliana. Prado has done an excellent job sa floor defense ng Arellano. Ela De Jesus, Tan. Maraginat cross court. Maraginat scores for Ateneo. Napa-fist pump doon si Coach Ty Bundit.
Well, he's happy with the point.
Happy.
Okay.
Si Coach Ty. PLDT. Ultra fast LTE for Happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999. Bea De Leon attacking itong si Prado. Ibiera double block. Check. Ibiera once again against the double block. Looking for a check ball.
No check.
No check.
According to the referee, so malinis.
2 straight points para sa Ateneo. From 17-14 to 19-14. Smaller unit para sa Arellano, but definitely a quicker one. Down the line serve once again for Bea De Leon. Biera adjusting, using an off speed. Tan goes to Ahomiro. Not really yung gusto nila na setup, pero still pumunto
Yeah,
si
it is a
Ahomiro.
point.
2014, 6-point lead once again for Ateneo. Arellano's turn to call ceasefire.
Wala tayong receive. Tapos yung mga tinatap na bola, hindi natin makuha. Bakit? Bakit hindi natin makuha eh? Naka-load na kayo kalit pa rin. Hindi ko napapasok mo. Pag naka-load, pag nag-ibang direksyon ng bola, hindi kayo makakabangon. Huwag kayo lumuhod. Hindi naman kailangan lumuhod eh. Hindi pa hinihingi ng pagkakataon yung pag-load eh. Ibalik!
Nakuha ng Ateneo ang first set. 25-14. And the score stands at 20-14 para dito sa Ateneo laban sa Arellano. Arellano with a 2-2 win-loss mark. Ateneo unbeaten at 4-0. De Leon for the Blue Eagles. Once again goes to Prado. Combination play to Biera using her left. Sabi ni Coach Obet, paluin mo lang.
Tubiera's, still quiet here in the match. Second set of time, pero wala pa siyang... She's
Di
not
pa
making the
maingay,
usual
no?
noise.
Kadalasan yan, by this time, halos twin digits na yan.
Yeah.
Pati siya ganon. Ramirez goes to Salamagos. Easily checked by Tan. Paraginat against the two-man wall. Backset to Ramirez para kay
Net
Prado,
violation error against Amy Humiro.
Papasok na sa kauna-unang pagkakataon yung pangalawang guest player ng Arellano na si Lilet Mabayad, while Angelica Legacion also takes the place of Ramirez. 15 serving 21, second set pa rin po sa ating quarterfinal match sa pagitan ng Arellano kontra Ateneo.
Full front line here again for Arellano.
Angelica Legacion. Tan goes to Maraginot. Oops.
No coverage for Arellano.
Kaninong bola dapat yun, Ivy?
Well, actually, kasi it's quite difficult, no? But you see, pagka yung sa touch ng bola, first instinct talaga ng center blocker is kunin. Although at that case kasi, itong si Salamagos has her back turn, so Mabayad has a good view of the ball.
Better view, ano?
Yeah.
Finally, Tubiera scores one para dito sa Arellano. Elaine Sagon. CJ Rosario will try to stop this juggernaut by Ateneo. Designated server, Elaine Sagon. At ito na ang mga magtatapos para dito sa Arellano. Para sa set na to.
Service ace for Arellano. That's a lucky break for Sagun.
Lahat sila natawa eh. Pati si Elaine natawa.
Natawa rin siya, no?
Eh, tawa, namumula-mula pa. Importante, buhay pa. Uy. Ang hirap talaga pag natawa ka, no? Di ba mas ganong seryoso mo? Sa laro,
Mawawala yung concentration
totoo,
mo eh.
Di ba kasi talagang diretso yung focus mo, biglang pag mare-relax ka bigla. 6-point lead for Ateneo, 23-17, second set count. Joanna Maraginot for the Blue Eagles goes to Tubiera. Tubiera out of control, looking for a check ball once again.
Too strong for Tubiera.
Parang nai-intimidate siya dun sa mga tall blockers, ano?
That's right. Talaga makikita mo talaga binabraso eh.
7 set points para dito sa Ateneo. Maraginot looking to close out this set.
Oh, another good serve from Maragino.
Tulis. Rosario. Good dive. Dive, rather. Eliza Valdez says, enough is enough. The second set is signed, sealed, and delivered for the Lady Eagles. Winning by 8 points, closing out the set with a tally at 25-17 to Seltan. Kneeling on all fours, and Eliza Valdez once again rising and scoring for the Lady Eagles. 25-17. 2 sets up ang Ateneo laban sa Arellano University.
That's right. And the distribution also is very crucial. Eh, kasi, you have your ace spiker, yes, you have Eliza Valdez, but then again, paano mo pa ba i-confuse yung mga, yung depensa ng kalaban?
Yung misdirection na tinatawag, di ba? Paano mo pabubukahin yung mga blockers?
Yes, and that's a big role na piniplay nitong ating mga setters.
Valdez defense has definitely improved. We talk about someone who can score in the 30s, but the way she has built herself to be a two-way player, yun ang nakakatuwa para kay Eliza, and that's a part of her evolution and maturity as a player under the tutelage, of course, of Coach Ty Bundit.
Yun yung mga maganda kasi hinahanap mo sa player na yes, offensively, malakas, pero hindi mo naman mapakinabangan sa depensa.
Kumbaga patay na butas, no? Lagi namin sinasabi yung pagpatay na butas ka, patay tayo. Diba? Tumabaho ka. Huwag kang senyorito.
Oo, tama. I mean, hindi pwedeng i-receive lang para sa
Oo.
kailangan ikaw din, di ba?
Tumabaho ka.
Oo.
Kaya nga floor defense eh. You manage the entire floor. Liza Valdez scoring off a defensive kill, and now with that nice drop, Ateneo 2-point lead as Maraguinot once again. Probably the most successful in terms of efficiency rate sa lahat ng Blue Eagles, Lady Eagles rather, ngayong hapon from the service line.
Oh, another good serve from Maraguinot.
Stamp coming from Legacion. Binabol ni De Jesus. Sino ba nakaharang? Yung lineman ba?
Nice man. Sayang, kuya, tumabi ka kayo.
Pero maganda rin ang reaction time ng ating lineman.
Yeah, oo. Iwas agad eh.
Oo, kasi kung medyo lilipad-lipad ang isip mo, tatamaan ka dyan.
Kaya hazard na trabaho din
Yan,
linesman
yan, totoo yan.
Hindi nare-realize na marami yan.
Dapat
Sa
may
hazard
hazard,
job.
dapat may hazard pay. Eliza once again. Too fast, too strong, too good. Laban sa depensa. Kontra kay Eliza. PLDT with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet first low. That's 999. Amy Ahumiro. Para sa Ateneo. CJ.
Oh,
Still
that's
fails to
outside.
convert. Oo. Alam mo, hindi sila nakakuha ng rhythm, ano?
Right, and the usual top scorers of Arellano are very quiet.
Kaya pinunto ko kanina, 4 ang nag-double digit sa kanila. Dun sa pagkatalo kontra sa UST. A match that saw them come from being 2 sets down to send that match into a 5th set.
So nothing seems to be going the way of Arellano today.
Look at Coach Ty Bundit. He's moving as fast as his players are. Tingnan mo.
Kaya fit na fit si Coach Ty.
Oo,
eh,
totoo, no? Pumayat, no?
Oo.
Ahumiro. Assisting from the service line as well. Henson against Eliza. Good cover by Eliza. And then transitions to attack. CJ humingi. Combination play. Henson unmarked. Oh, good play.
And that makes it to the line.
That's right. Nabutas din nila. Ang depensa ng Ateneo. Ultra Fast Bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Team Captain CJ Rosario. Valdez. Uy, nasilip ni Prado. Lock sa Delegacion. Locked by Valdez and Bea De Leon. Defense of Ateneo today, solid, Ivy.
Sa net, sa ano pa lang, block pa lang, nahihirapan ng Arellano.
Hindi nila mapasukan, ano? Parang fortress yung depensa rito ng Lady Eagles. If it's fun, family, and pizza, sinisilip ko pa rin, no? It's going to be shaky.
Feeling ko wala na yung Coach
Oh,
Ronnie.
hindi na
naubos
dadaan
na
dito
eh.
si Alexa. Hindi na.
Sabi
Alam na
talaga
niya.
eh. Siguraduhin natin wala na.
Alam na niya. Ala, sa kabila. Ubus na yung pizza eh. Teka, ba't ang umubos na sa kaliwa?
Eh, nandito sa...
Dito ko muna, Ivy. Tatanong ko. Doon na ubos, nakita ko eh. Scene of the crime. Gana Henson. Para sa Arellano. Open reception para dito sa Ateneo.
Prado with that point. Yung makita, no, parang hindi niya kailangang paluin eh. Kasi alam na niya kung saan niya dadalhin eh.
Ganda ng control niya eh, no? Parang may drone. Good reception by Ala De Jesus. Inangat ni Maraguinot para kay
Valdez.
Eliza. Nakita mo yung angulo ng swipe ng bola. Ang lakas talaga ng wrist nitong si Eliza. Here's Eliza Valdez serving. Follow her on Volley Friends on Viber public chat. Using Viber, just click follow. Yan.
Oh, that goes out.
(7-5) in favor of Ateneo. Ateneo running away with the first 2 sets. 25-14 and 25-17. Tan goes to Maraguinot. Uy. No angle to work with. Carino still para sa Arellano. Hinabol ni Tan, binigyan si Maraguinot.
There she scores the
Oh
point.
yes, hirap nun. Ateneo, dinidikitan ng Arellano. But Ateneo reaches the first tactical timeout ahead by 2 points. Abangan po sa Martes. Alauna ng hapon, De La Salle Dasmariñas kontra sa FEU Lady Camaraos. Juan Magsalok, present. Ivy Remulla, present. Fisher Bredo, present.
Okay, so Ronnie and Ivy, despite their current record and standing, no room for complacency pa rin daw sa Lady Eagles. Kaya naman kahit nagsimula na ang school para sa kanila, twice a day pa rin ang kanilang pag-e-ensayo. Patingin ito si Amy Ahumira at si Eliza Valdez na nagmamasteral at pumapasok ng gabi para sa kanilang requirements, hindi pa rin daw sila excused from the grind. Because more than winning games, chemistry daw ang dinedevelop nila. Kaya as much as possible, dapat kompleto pa rin sa ensayo. Sa kampo naman ng Lady Chiefs, napansin ni Coach Obet na they're not working and functioning as a unit. Sila na nga lang daw ang nasa loob, kinukulang pa sa pagsusuporta para sa isa't isa. Kaya sabi niya kanina sa huddle, lift each other up, isolate all distractions, at mag-focus lang sa laro. Kung nadidistract kayo sa crowd nila, silence them with good plays. That's all for now, guys.
Operative word is function, Ivy.
Yes, that's right. And you know, it's really important, like for example, the Lady Eagles, so talagang importante nga talaga yung you really gel well eh. It doesn't, magagaling kayo individually, but you know, inside the
Cohesion.
court, wala eh.
Yung chemistry
Yeah,
na tinatawag.
that's right.
Actually, yan ang pinakamahirap ma-build eh.
Kaya nga may nakikita tayong mga teams na not individually, they may not be the strongest, but together,
Hirap talunin,
ang hirap
ano?
talunin,
Oo.
exactly.
Eh, mga ganun. Kasi solid eh. At pag solid yung samahan, eh, they protect each other dahil, kumbaga, nandun yung care na tinatawag, kasali po yan. Hindi lang yung technical side ng laro. Lamang na natin ng apat dito, kasama ng Ivy at 11-7.
Try a futile attempt there from Dana Henson to save the ball but doesn't go over. Kim Gatiliana now serving for the Lady Eagles. They're up by 4. Prado hits down the line. On net violation error called up against Amy Ahumiro, who apologizes to Coach Tai. So point for Arellano. It's now 8 serving 11. Jovelyn Prado for the serve. Good pick up by Ella De Jesus. Maraguinot off the block. Good combination play para dito sa Lady Eagles. So balik na naman ang kalamangan to 4 points. Let's take a look at this last play. Maraguinot against 2 blockers off the hands of Ramirez. Joanna Maraguinot serving for the Lady Eagles. Oh, serving straight into the net. That's a 3-point goes the Lady Chiefs. Ateneo only up by 3 points, 9 and serving 12. Rhea Ramirez for the serve para sa Arellano. Amy Ahumiro. Rosario brings it back. Ahumiro once again. Buhay pang bola but goes outside. Hindi na nasalban itong Lady Chiefs. Lead up again to 4, 13 serving 9. It's Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Amy Ahumiro for the blue shirts. Service ace! And that brings the lead up to 5, 14 serving 9.
At patuloy na namamayagpag ang Ateneo kontra sa hamon ng Arellano Lady Chiefs. Ahumiro also playing well, especially here in the third set. That serve has been tough to handle para dito sa Arellano.
That goes outside. Good read para dito sa Ateneo.
At dahil hindi mo makuha yung rhythm mo, you spray your shots all around. No? At,
Yeah.
hindi malulutong yung mga palong inaasahan mo na dati parang routine lang na pagbabalik para dito sa Arellano. Double block para dito sa Arellano, sa Ateneo. Alyssa losing control on that shot. 15-10. Talan, hawak dito ng Ateneo. Laban dito sa kupunan ng Arellano. Tan sets up Valdez. Check. Tan once again. This time goes to Maraguinot.
That does not go over. Miscommunication. No? Nakaharang yung mga ibang players.
15-11. Arellano fighting back. Game far from over. Worst thing that can happen right now for Ateneo is to let their guard down. Tan, binigyan si De Leon. Beats the defense of CJ Rosario. Ateneo, sa ating pagsapit sa second technical timeout ay lamang pa rin ng 5 puntos kontra sa Arellano.
Di bali yung bola kumapos ng konti, huwag nyo lang itigil yung bola sa net. Di bali kumapos ng konti, ang gusto mo kasi pag-usubi. Kung talaga mahirapan yung center, iyakat mo.
Dahan-dahan lang nga.
This was built to be a close match.
Yeah.
Ivy. Ba, sabi na natin kanina, baka 5 rin ito eh.
Oh, that's right. But, until this point, we're here in the third set, pero Arellano seems to be, still struggling.
They're playing with fire, pero Ateneo has somehow gotten the better of Arellano all match long. Pero tignan natin kung ma-turn around pa ito ng Arellano. The lead down to 4 on this Maraguinot attack error. At dito delikado ang Arellano pag pinasilip mo.
That's right. And, at this point, I think Coach Tai wants to make sure na hindi na makakreate pa ng extra points.
Totoo yan.
Itong Arellano. Kasi mabubuhayan.
Pag nabuhayan,
alam
mahirap.
nila kung anong mangyayari pag nabuhayan ng Arellano.
And remember, these are champions in their own right. Itong
Yes.
Arellano, ha?
Oh,
Miscommunication.
miscommunication from Valdez and De Leon.
Coach Tai Bundit, unhappy.
Oh, para sa ibang coach, yung mortal sin yung
Yung ganyan.
maputusan ka ng free
Yung
ball.
mahulugan ka, no?
At free ball pa.
13 serving 16. Kikiliana. Binigyan si Maraguinot. Ramirez sinangat para kay Carino. Naghanap ng drop. Carino nautakan yung dalawang matatangkad na blockers ng Lady Eagles, and it's only a 2-point lead para dito sa Ateneo. Coach Tai senses danger. Calls his fire. They had a 5-point lead earlier.
You better. Thinking you better. Here. One, two, three.
Arellano looking to turn this set around. Ateneo has other things in mind. Ana Henson and Arellano only 2 points away. Alyssa,
Valdez
another
straight
attack
into the
error
net.
for the Lady Eagles. Parang nag-relax ang Lady
Oo,
Eagles.
eh.
Ano?
And now, Arellano is just 1 point behind.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dana Henson has been solid likewise from the service line. Kikiliana, Tan, Valdez delivers. Valdez pushes Ateneo 2 points ahead dito sa Arellano.
Gandang bawi nito para kay Eliza Valdez.
Tianco Williams coming in
Okay.
for Maraguinot. Ultra Fast Spike. Brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE. For a
Okay,
happy family. Tangkad din, no?
Oh, that's Kayla Chanco Williams coming in for Ateneo.
Skipper Eliza Valdez para dito sa Lady Eagles. Ramirez goes to Carino. Kinangat na De Leon. Uy. Malamig na malamig pa si Williams. Nika Carino and the Lady Chiefs down by 1, 16-17. 3-point given up by Nika Carino. Napakamot si Coach Obet Aviabel. Isa sa mga solid servers niya yan.
Yeah. And at this point na konti na lang yung hinahabol nila eh. So, syempre ayaw na lang mamigay pa ng libreng puntos dito sa Ateneo.
De Leon going to Nika Carino. Salamagos sweeping that shot. Williams getting that ball across. Ramirez goes to Prado. Blocked.
It makes it to the line.
Look at Coach Tay Bundit. Losing their vaunted net defense. Talking to Giselle Tan. Ateneo, 3-point cushion. Laban sa comebacking Arellano Lady Chiefs. De Leon para sa Ateneo. Carino with the cover. Prado off speed. Tan goes to Ahomiro. Good
block
play.
shot.
Good play. They seem to have found the connection already, Ivy, no?
That's right. And yun nga eh, parang if you have the consistency, if you have it like that, talagang mahihirapan yung mga kalaban mo.
And setters always try to earn the respect ng kanilang mga kasama na established superstars na, di ba? Dahil lalo pag bagito ka. Giselle Tan sets up Kikiliana. And again, yung pagbalasa ng bola ni Giselle Tan in the last few sequences, making it difficult for Arellano to defend. 5-point lead para sa Ateneo. If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be shaky. Pedalen steal. Prado against 2. Net violation para dito sa Ateneo.
Ateneo's had a couple of net violation errors. Siguro kung may kuryente tong net, dami na na-electrocute dyan.
Kung may taser, no?
Oh.
Baka wala na mag-block.
Ito wala, tayo-tayo na yung buhok.
Oh, sa likod lang ako. Kasi makukulot ka eh. Seltan setting up Ahomiro once more. Prado pushes it, or rather, Carino pushes it to Prado. Look at the transition by Ahomiro after attacking on offense. Sipag. Ganda ng lateral movement.
Single block.
22-17. 5 points ahead. And only 3 points away from this set and this match. Ramirez goes to Rosario. Dug by De Jesus from the back. Valdez once again fails to score for Ateneo. Sabi ni Coach Ty, dumudaling sa zone 1. Prado has played well for Arellano. Carino goes to Henson. Covered by De Jesus para sa Ateneo. Mula sa likod. This time, Alyssa
And she follows the directions, instructions nitong si Coach Ty.
shows peak form sa kanyang huling palo. Rarely does she make the same mistake twice. Bianco Williams, who had a late entry in this third set. Serving for the first time in this match. Carino, Ramirez goes to Prado. Inangat ni De Jesus para kay Tan. Humiro scores.
Yeah, it makes it to the line.
May hang time din itong si Amy, no? Kaya nakakasilip. Coach Tai Bundit finally breaking out with a smile after that last point. Oops. Six match points earlier para sa Ateneo. Trimmed to 5 after that service error ni Joanna Maraguinot. It's 1-2-3 up and 1-2-3 down as Ateneo defeats Arellano in 3 straight sets. 25-14, 25-17, and 25-19.
So ito, it's a well-fought game for both, and although Arellano not able to make a comeback or they were not able to recover sa kanilang mga errors, but ito, towards the third set, naging mas maganda naman yung galaw nito Lady Chiefs.
They threatened, down by only a single point. But eventually, Eliza Valdez and the rest of the Lady Eagles had enough composure and persistence to be able to hold off the Arellano Lady Chiefs. At kasama ni Ms. Tricio Bredo, ang ating best player na naman na si Miss Eliza Valdez.
Okay, so Eliza, nakatapat ninyo ngayon NCAA champions. Inasahan mo ba na ganito yung magiging game?
Syempre naman, everyone naman expect a good game talaga today. And Arellano gave us a good fight also. So, hands down din talaga and they deserve talaga being the champions sa NCAA.
So Eliza, nabalitaan ko rin na you're having to adjust daw kasi syempre you're taking up masters na ngayon and yung class schedule mo medyo magulo. How are you coping naman na ganito yung ginagawa mo tapos naglalaro ka pa ngayon sa volleyball?
Well, hindi lang din naman ako. I'm with Amy and Bea also. So, I think everyone has class naman So, we really have, as a student athlete, we really know what our priorities are. So, ayun. And alam naman ni Coach Tay, nag-adjust din siya sa amin. So, we meet halfway naman.
So, Eliza, ngayon naman clean record pa kayo. May improve pa ba ang Lady Eagles or satisfied yun na sa laro ninyo?
Based sa game namin